Hi my darlings, and happy almost Christmas or party season. In today's video I'm going to show you how I transformed this jersey black dress into something a bit more spectacular, especially ready for the party season. And I wanted something a bit more va-va-voom, so I wanted this dress to be a bit more sexy, so I cut it to make it one sleeve, and I cut it off. However, I wanted the sleeve to be transparent and to be more puffy, and here I'm going to show you how I made the sleeve more puffy by cutting it to the pattern and then splitting it, slashing it. The next step is cutting and making a rough outline of the dress. Because the dress is jersey and the fabric that I wanted to put on top is actually polyester, and polyester doesn't stretch as much as jersey. And here I'm just showing you how I'm making a rough pattern for my top, and then I'm cutting 1 centimeter seam allowance to be able to sew it and to actually fit me. And one side I'm actually going to put a zip, invisible zip. And then I traced the pattern for the bottom of the skirt, and I made it slightly longer, and I wanted to be a bit more transparent if the dress is shorter, which this dress is. And you can see that I'm doing a rough outline. It doesn't have to be exact, but for the waist I actually measured. And then I cut all the pieces out of the little sparkling fabric that I had. And here I'm just showing you that I cut a long strip of fabric, and then I'm just going to do a rough stitch and then pull all the threads through to make the ruffles for the top of the skirt. And here I'm just showing you how I had this extra fabric that I wanted to make a tie out of, especially for the waistband, because I wanted to add some extra little jewelry on the middle of the dress to make it a bit more figure hugging. And here I'm just showing you how I actually gonna sew and stitch it by hand, because I can't do it with a machine because of the rhinestones. So I had to individually sew it, and you see that this had to be arranged whilst I was sewing it.
Ooh la la! I feel so glamorous. Look at this. It all sparkles and it has these little wow. Look how it sparkles in the light. That's what I wanted it. I wanted it to be a black dress because I know sometimes we all feel a bit more comfortable in this black dress. But this dress, I wanted to sparkle and I wanted to show a bit of sexiness. So you could have put like a necklace, or I decided to put like a belt. I can break it up, or I can just leave it black. But this dress is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this ruffle. You can have all the drama that you could ever want. And I have obviously from the tie, but this dress is so beautiful. Look, when you're going to take pictures, you're going to be like, obviously I have it with some shoes and some tight. I thought that these tights will really look quite nice, so give that sexy elegant as well. And obviously I still have the dress underneath, and then this is mesh, and you can see, but this dress, I absolutely love this dress, and I love detail, and I love a bit of sparkle. You can see I have some sparkles. I just had to have some, because you can see through the dress. I think it has that more appeal, but it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I actually feel like I just want to do my little dancing and partying right now. So you can actually wear this dress more than just over Christmas and New Year's. Obviously Valentine is coming up, then birthdays, then other parties, so you can always jazz this up. I feel like this is coming out too much. That's okay, it's Christmas. I want to show the full dress.